their children, protecting them.
This song called Here Come a Train. Got a train coming through. Imaginary train, spirit train. If your spirit ain't right, then you can't get on the train. And my Katrina back there, he rocking with us too. The song go like this. Baby, here come the train now. But he told me to tell you that you can't ride the train. Cause your ego, it doesn't run a little bit too high. Yet it doesn't mean, told me to tell you that your ego a little bit too high. Baby, come train now, but he told me tell you that your ego's running the little bit too high, and you can't catch that train. That was called Here Come a Train. As you can see, we got baby Joshua, the next future of the world. If they keep the world right, then maybe the babies will be right. But for right now, we just dealing with it. Yeah.